In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link PayPal to Systemot.io. If you are using Systemot.io for your online business and you want to accept payments through PayPal, linking your PayPal business account is an important step. Once it is connected, your Systemot.io checkout forms can direct customers to PayPal for processing. Let us go through the process carefully, from start to finish, so you can complete the setup without confusion. First, log into your Systemot.io account. Make sure you are using the correct account that you want to connect with your payment system. After you log in, you should be taken to your main dashboard. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the right workspace. Then we will move on to the settings area. Next, click your profile picture and select Settings. This is where Systemot.io groups all the configuration options in one place. On screen, look for your avatar or profile circle, usually located near the top of the interface. Click it and then choose Settings from the menu that appears. You should now see a settings page with a sidebar on the left side. This is the area where we will find the payment tools. Now click Payment Gateways in the sidebar. The Payment Gateways section is specifically designed to connect external payment providers. As you click it, the page may refresh and show options related to available payment integrations. This is the part that matters most for your PayPal connection, so pay attention to the section that lists payment providers. You might see a button that says Connect for PayPal within that Payment Gateways list. Click that button to start the PayPal authorization flow. At this point, Systemot.io is preparing to link to your PayPal account, but you still need to complete the login and permissions on the PayPal side. Once you click Connect, a new window or redirect may appear, so do not close anything unless you are sure. After that, log into your PayPal business account and grant permissions. This step confirms that your PayPal account is allowed to communicate with Systemot.io and handle the payment actions associated with your checkout experience. Use the business login credentials for the account you intend to receive payments from. Make sure you are logged into the correct PayPal business profile because authorizations are tied to the specific account you select. While you are on the PayPal authorization screen, you will be asked to approve access and grant permissions. Read through the permissions shown on screen so you understand what you are enabling. When you are ready, approve or allow the connection. This typically completes the authorization in just a moment. After approval, you should be returned to Systemot.io, or you may see a confirmation that the connection is successful. Finally, after granting permissions, take a quick look at the Payment Gateways page again. You want to confirm that PayPal now shows as connected, enabled, or properly linked. If there are any status indicators, such as a connected label, a success message, or a new integration state, verify that everything looks correct. This last check is helpful because it ensures your store will be able to route payments through PayPal when customers complete checkout. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.